This video is AI generated. Nothing you see is real. Please don't try at home.
What's good with y'all YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I just heard right now with my car a cold start like 2 weeks straight. On God, it hasn't been started for like 2 weeks straight. I've been gone. I haven't seen my car for some while, but I'm back now. See, my car's loaded up right now. I'm about to go drop all that thing off right now. I'm gonna get to y'all soon. I'm gonna give y'all some POV. Like I said, I haven't seen my car like in 2 weeks. First cold start. So warm up a little bit, but after that, I'm gonna give y'all some revs real quick. Dang. Y'all riding through the Benz dealership. Should we trade in for a GT or what? What y'all thinking? Trade in for a GT? Trade in the 63 for a GT? What y'all thinking? God dang. No burble tune to be popping, y'all. God dang. People right here outside of town. I was watching the Clásico. Y'all go for Madrid, y'all go for Barca, let me know. That thing ain't going sideways. Woo. Woo! A little tire scooch right there for y'all.